Hi guys! This is my tutorial for a Hello Winter snow globe tumbler. I have already prepped my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and wiped down with 91% alcohol. In the upper left hand corner, I'm showing how I cut the tree silhouettes to wrap around the snow globe tumbler. In order to keep them straight, I cut them in strips and apply individually. If it was a straight tumbler, I don't really bother, but because it has a slant and doesn't go straight up and down, I cut them and place them one by one and overlap the edges. When I was finished adding my stencils, I spray painted the tumbler with Color Shots Hello Handsome, and then I was ready to add my glitter using the tack-it method. I decided to go cool and wintry with my colors, so I used A Winter's Night and Legend from PDB Creative Studio. My glitter was still sticking up in spots after I rubbed it down with my finger, so I'm going to be taking a paper towel and 91% alcohol and rubbing it all over the tumbler. When I was all finished glittering, I sealed my glitter with Krylon Triple Thick. Then I removed the stencils. Remember, we we seal our glitter before we remove the stencils. Now, I was out of stencil vinyl and used black removable vinyl, and y'all, it was a lot harder to find under the glitter. It could be because stencil vinyl is a tad thicker than regular vinyl. I'm not sure, but I made sure to order some more stencil vinyl after this. Thank goodness the acrylic is see-through from the inside. So I was kind of able to just like glance in the inside of the tumbler and see where the vinyl was. But yo, be careful if you use removable vinyl instead of stencil vinyl. Ooh, Lord. Ooh, Lord. Yup. More glitter. And the name of it is perfect. Snowfall. How could I not? It's so pretty. And you can totally skip this step, but you know what I'm going to say? Just do it. Do it. I've already applied a layer of epoxy to the tumbler. I just took the leftover epoxy from that layer and added Snowfall to it, mixed it up, and I'm now applying it along the top and bringing it down to the bottom like a snowfall effect, but the waterfall effect. Now, the last time I did foil water slides, it was because I didn't feel like weeding the vinyl for those leaves that we did. Yeah. But in this case, I realized too late that I didn't have any textured silver vinyl, which was what I was going to use. I had enough to use for my decal later on, but I didn't have any for my snowflakes, so I had to use the foil water slides. You don't have to. If you have that textured silver vinyl, it would look absolutely gorgeous, and I'm a little bitter, but you know, I had to press on. I had a deadline. So if you'd like to see though how I do my foil water slides, I'll post a link in the upper right hand corner of your screen if you'd like to see how I do it. But you don't really need to use foil water slide, you guys. If you have that vinyl, use it. Use it. If you have chunky Parabatai from Peachy Olive Glitters, that's really all you need, but I was completely out and didn't realize it till it was too late. So I'm making my own custom mix here using Humble from Peachy Olive as well as the regular Parabatai. And then for some extra holographic type sparkle, I'm using Dreamer from PDB. You can use just a chunky Parabatai if you have it, or you can use whatever glitter you like, actually. I mean, do you. Do what you want. Do what you want. I'm going to be speeding through the filling and sealing process of the snow globe, but if you'd like to check out a longer version, I'll post the link to my first snow globe tumbler tutorial in the upper right hand corner of your screen if you'd like to check it out. No decal is really necessary, but I went ahead and added one. I then sealed until smooth, and then I was all done. I have 2 acrylic tumblers left, fam. What should my last design be? Christmas? Another spooky fall design? Let me know in the comments. Y'all, check out little Edgar spinning in the background. We've been working on an Edgar Allan Poe themed 3D tumbler using the dimensional drink sleeves during our live classes, and I love how he is turning out. Today is July 1st and spots are open. You can watch the past group lives to catch up as we finish him up during our next live on July 15th. I'll post a link to my mentorship group in the description box down below. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your Hello Winter Snow Globe tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!